Yeah. Okay. Why am I so silly? I hate myself. Hey y'all. So today we're going to start a series where we do 2020 makeup trends every day. And today's look is going to be a monochromatic makeup look. So I'm going to be using blue today because I feel like I don't use blue a whole lot. So yeah, I've already done my eyebrows and my foundation. I know I look kind of crazy right now, but it'll all come together in the end, I hope. So let's start. I'm going to use the James Charles palette because he's got lots of blues in here. And all the other palettes I have blues, but they're all shimmery. They're not matte. I'm going to put setting powder under my eyes again, just so that it can catch the fallout in case we have any, so that I don't have to redo my entire face. I'm going to start with this blue here. So I'm just going to start by packing this one into my crease. We're starting to stamp it on the side first. Gonna stamp first and we'll blend later. Okay, so once you have that stamped on, we can start blending it out. I'm going to use this lighter blue, I think, that's in the same palette. We'll see. Yeah, I think we're going to try that one and see how that works out. So I'm going to switch to a clean brush and just go right over the edges and start blending it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the darker shade that we started with and repack that in so that it's a little bit darker. And then going back with the other brush again, and we're going to just blend out the edges of that. I'm going to take this Juvia's Place, what is this one? The Masquerade Mini. I'm going to take this blue here and just put this on the eyelid. So I'm just going to take some setting spray and spray the brush to help the shadow stick. That's really pretty though. Just gonna look crazy with this lip. Probably. We're gonna keep going anyways. Now I'm gonna just use this, what is this? It's called Chai, I don't know. And I'm going to use this on the outer third of the eye. I'm gonna bring that up into the crease too. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna start blending that with those other shades that we started with. That looks better. I like that. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm going to go and do the same thing to the other eye, and I'll be back to show you the rest. Okay, so I've done the other eye. So all I'm going to do now is put on some lashes, which today I'm going to be using these INV Iconic lashes. Oh wait, did I put this on the wrong eye? Dang it, I'm an idiot. I'm gonna cut this because I don't want a droopy lash today. Okay, now that I have both lashes on, I'm gonna wipe this crap away a little bit. And then we're gonna go ahead and work on the bottom, which we're pretty much gonna do the same exact thing we did on the top. I'm going to take a drop of this oil from Black Radiance, the Luminous Dry Oil, and just drop it in here to try to loosen the product up because it's kind of thick. I'll just put one drop in here. I don't know if y'all can see right on it. And I'm just going to mix that around. Yeah, that helped. Now I'm going to take the NYX glitter, whatever, this glitter, in Dark Side. I'm just going to stamp that right on top of that liner I just placed. Glitter fixes everything, right? Alright, so since I can't find my eyeliner, I'm going to use an angled brush or something, a tiny little brush. This one's tiny. I'm going to spray it with setting spray, and I'm going to dip it into a black eyeshadow and just put it right in that little gap where there's that blank space that looks really odd. Cool. This is going to come together. Okay, I'm going to use the James Charles palette. I'm going to use this color right here to bronze or something. I don't know. Contour, whatever you want to call it. Go crazy on the turkey neck. I'm going to take a little blush, same one I always use, NYX Brick Red Blaze. I said it. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray so that I can blend out this blush some. And now we're going to go ahead and use this lipstick. Dark blue lipstick. This is what it looks like. I went and washed my hands earlier with this on. I washed my hands twice with soap and it didn't come off, so good stuff here. So this is the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick in Jet Set. Okay, so to finish my face, I'm going to add a powder blush right on top of the one that I used. And then I'm going to highlight. The highlight I'll be using today is this Morphe High Impact Highlighter Palette. I'm going to use, I don't know, I kind of want to use pink or like purple, that'd be fun. I'm going to try the purple shade out and see what it looks like. That's kind of fun. Looks bluish, kinda. Okay, and then I'm gonna also highlight my brow bone and my nose, but for that I'm gonna just use like normal colors so I don't look cray. So that pretty much completes today's 2020 makeup trend. So my thoughts on this trend: is this wearable? Absolutely not. I guess like, depending on who you are, it might be wearable for you, but for me, I will absolutely not be walking around on the streets with blue lipstick on. Could this be made into a wearable look? Absolutely, yeah. Make sure that you press the subscribe button and tap the bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. There's lots of fun ones coming up and you don't want to miss them. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you would try this monochromatic makeup. I can't wait to see y'all in the next video. Bye.